So here's a very basic introduction to Scratch. You get your stage on the left and your sprite. By default it's a cat. You've got your different areas of program code to do with motion, what the sprite looks like, sounds it makes, and so on. You've got a costumes area where you can reconstruct, import, redraw your sprite, and you've got a sounds area where you can do some sound effects. I'm going to focus on the scripts or code. These are like instructions that you give to your sprites. So these instructions, they have a lot to do with motion and general behavior of the sprite. I'm just going to grab one here, move 10 steps, and I'm going to have that respond to an event, which is when the user clicks the right arrow key. And I'm also going to duplicate that code by right clicking and say when the left arrow key is pressed, I want the sprite to move minus 10 steps. You can also use the green flag to start the whole game or animation, and a common thing to want to do there is to have the sprite start at a certain position. 0, 0 is the center of the screen. So just move the sprite and then press the green flag, starts in the middle, hit the left arrow key, moves to the left, hit the right arrow key, moves to the right. You can obviously do an awful lot more than that, so just to show that, I'm going to set up another little loop which says when the green flag is clicked, I would like the sprite to point towards the mouse pointer and to move 10 steps and to put down a pen mark behind its motion. I don't want it to just do that once, I want it to do that lots of times, in fact forever. Maybe I want to change the pen thickness, so I'm going to do something a little bit fancy here. Change pen size by 1, that will make the pen thicker. But just to make it more interesting, let's say I'm going to say pick random 1 to 10, so it'll do a whole bunch of pen sizes. I might also just change the pen color. Change pen color by, I'll do the same general idea, pick random. So now when I hit the green flag, the pen size and the pen color change randomly, and the sprite follows my mouse around the screen. And that's really Scratch in a nutshell.